Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bulk archive tasks within your Clickup instance. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to identify which tasks or whatever that you want to go ahead and archive. So I'm just going to do these milestones 1, 2, 3 here. And then let's go ahead and go up to here to, I think it's like one of those little banker boxes is what the icon is up here at the very top. And then you're going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to ask you if it allows what archiving a task does. Essentially is that it takes it away from view, but you can bring it back. Still searchable. So essentially it's out of your view, but not completely deleted. So I'm just going to click the archive here. And then boom, they are gone. And it shows here in our little notification center that we've archived those 3 tasks. You can do this on a one-on-one basis. So here's a video idea of mine that I was working on, and we'd go to task settings and then same icon of that little box right there. You would go ahead and archive it on that individual basis. But that's how you bulk archive things and how you archive things in general. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more ClickUp tutorials in the description down below.